As an AI language model, ChatGPT can assist with a wide range of topics. Here are some commonly searched and useful areas where ChatGPT can be helpful. 1. General knowledge. ChatGPT can provide information on a wide range of subjects, including history, science, geography, literature, and more. Though. Language and grammar. ChatGPT can assist with grammar checking, proofreading, and suggesting improvements to written text. 3. Writing assistance. Whether it's generating ideas, creating outlines, or polishing a piece of writing, ChatGPT can help with various aspects of the writing process. 4. Creative writing. ChatGPT can generate story ideas, help with character development, and even co-write a story or poem. 5. Learning and education. ChatGPT can provide explanations, examples, and clarification on various academic topics, helping users understand concepts better. 6. Coding and programming. ChatGPT can assist with coding-related questions, provide guidance on programming languages, and help troubleshoot issues. 7. Problem solving. ChatGPT can help with logical reasoning, mathematical calculations, and answering puzzles or riddles. 8. Product recommendations. ChatGPT can provide suggestions and recommendations for various products, including electronics, books, movies, and more. 9. Health and nutrition. ChatGPT can provide general information on health topics, offer tips for a healthy lifestyle, and answer basic questions about nutrition. 10. Entertainment and pop culture. ChatGPT can discuss movies, TV shows, music, sports, celebrities, and other aspects of popular culture. Remember, while ChatGPT can be a helpful resource, it's essential to verify information from reliable sources and consult professionals for specific or critical matters. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe my channel.